In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export PDF in Adobe Acrobat. If you need to turn a PDF into another file type so you can edit it, reuse the content, or share it in a different format, Adobe Acrobat makes that process very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to export your PDF and save the converted file to your device. To begin, open Adobe Acrobat and make sure the PDF you want to export is already open on your screen. This is important because Acrobat needs to know which document you want to convert before you access the export options. Once your file is visible and ready, you can move on to the next step. At the top of the Acrobat interface, click on Tools. This section gives you access to a variety of actions you can perform on your documents, including editing, converting, organizing, and sharing. Since exporting is considered a document conversion task, this is where you'll find the option you need. Inside the Tools area, click on Export a PDF. This opens the Export panel, where Acrobat lets you choose the format you want to convert your PDF into. Take a moment here to look at the available choices because the best format depends on what you want to do with the file afterward. Under the section labeled Export PDF to, select the format you want. You may see options such as Adobe Express, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, or an image format. For example, if you want to edit the text in a word processor, Microsoft Word is usually the most practical choice. If your PDF contains tables and data, Excel may be a better fit. Choosing the right format at this stage helps preserve the layout and makes the file easier to work with later. After selecting your preferred format, click on Convert to DOSX. Acrobat will then begin converting the PDF into a Word document. Depending on the size and complexity of the PDF, this may take a few seconds. Documents with a lot of images, tables, or unusual formatting can take a little longer, so just give it a moment to finish processing. Once the conversion is complete, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the download icon that appears. This will download the exported file to your computer so you can open it, save it where you want, or continue editing it in the appropriate program. And that's it. Your PDF has now been exported from Adobe Acrobat. If you're converting important files, it's always a good idea to quickly review the downloaded version afterward to make sure the formatting transferred the way you expected.